I remember this story about this teacher. She was in class and she did a demonstration for her kids.
All right.
She said, listen now, if I get a plate and drop it, it will fall and shatter. If I get a bag of flour and drop it, it will fall and lay dead.
Yes.
But if I get a ball and allow it to fall, it will bounce back.
All right.
She asked them, she said, why will the plate shatter to pieces? Why will the flour lay dead? And then why will the ball bounce back?
All right.
She said, it's not the fall, but it's what it's made out of that will determine what happens after the accident. See, the devil thought the last season of your life that when you went through that storm, you should have shattered to pieces. He thought in the last season of your life, you should have laid dead. But he just didn't realize God didn't make you out of a plate. He did not make you out of flour, but it was something inside of you that caused you to bounce back after the accident. See, maybe you haven't been going through anything, but for those of you who've been in a storm lately, but some kind of way you keep coming to church, some kind of way you keep giving God your praise, some kind of way you keep giving God your worship. You just don't know it's what you're made out of. And people look at you in the external, but they just don't know. Stop judging me based on my hairstyle, but it's my lifestyle that keeps me popping back when they barely thought I'd be dead. Somebody say, I bounced back. Shouldn't be here today, but I bounced back. Should be at home today, but I bounced back. Every time the devil knocked me down, I bounced back. Did you want to have at least two people in here today? You bounced back. Every time the enemy threw a curveball at you, every time your child act crazy, every time your boss man does something crazy to you, you keep on bouncing back. Today, for a few minutes, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you just two reasons why you keep bouncing back. Show you two reasons why you keep bouncing back. Here we look here in the gospel here in Jesus. It was time for his crucifixion.
All right.
And his whole time in ministry, they've been trying to knock him down.
All right.
But every time they would knock him down, he will always find some kind of way to bounce back. That's the kind of God I serve. It wasn't that he didn't have attacks, but even after the attacks, he learned how to bounce back. After the Pharisees and Sadducees tried to attack him, he always finds some kind of way to bounce back. But when you look here in this text, since they could not destroy him physically, they tried to destroy him mentally. And since the devil cannot destroy you physically, he tries to destroy you mentally. He want to make you kill yourself. He want to make you feel as though you can't go any further and you can't even make it. If he can just get into your mind. See, poverty is a mindset. He'll make you think that you're broke and you never get ahead, but you got to understand, I will bounce back. Two reasons I want to show you why you bounce back. Verse 23, watch this. The Bible says, and they took his garment. Said took his garment. They took his garment. Right? The garment that Jesus had on him, they got so mad, they took it from him. And when they took it, they tore it to pieces. They took his garment and they tore it to pieces. Trying to figure out, after you took something from me, you think I'll be dead. I'll be depressed. The enemy took something away from him. Took the robe away from him. Has the devil ever taken anything away from you? Verse 23, they took the robe. I'll show you why he bounced back. Because in verse 2, they gave him the robe.
All right.
And you'll get this tomorrow on your lunch break. Verse 2, they gave him the robe. But verse 23, they took it.
All right. Come on now.
Verse 2, they put the robe on him.
All right.
In verse 23, they took it off. And the only reason why Jesus bounced back, because I'm only going to allow you to take what you gave me. You're the one gave me this robe. And since you gave it to me, now you can have it. The anger problem, you take it. Frustration, you take it. And in this season, people wonder how in the world you are able to bounce back. Because my testimony is, I'm only going to allow the devil to take what he gave me. And what he didn't give me, you can't touch this. This joy, you didn't give me this joy. You didn't give me this peace. You didn't give me my anointing. You didn't give me my happiness. And since you didn't give it to me, you can't take it. Do I have anybody here that knows what the devil took from you? He cannot take what he didn't give you. I'm going to let you know, watch this. He can't take members that God didn't send. See, there are some people that come to church. The devil drove them here. And we complaining about people who left. God told me to let you know today. Don't complain. Why? Because the members I sent, I covered them. Lord, the people I wanted to be in Agape, I covered them. But what the enemy came, what the enemy sent, you take them. You leave with them. That's the reason why you still got your joy. You still got your peace. You still can preach and prophesy. And I'm only going to allow the enemy to take what he gave. You gave me this road. Now take it. But what belongs to me, I'm fighting for. See, you got to learn how to fight for your joy. You got to learn how to fight for those people who belong in this ministry. The devil shall not take them. He shall not deplete them. In the name of Jesus, I'm fighting for them. We fight for the youth department. We're fighting for the praise team. We're fighting for musicians. We're fighting for the ministers. And what the enemy didn't send, he cannot take. They took the road because they gave it to him.
Yeah.
You got to understand, there are some stuff only God gave you.
All right.
Stop saying the devil stole my joy. Stole my peace. I have a good day if it had not been for the accident. Don't you know the devil can't steal your joy because he didn't give it to you. He wish he had joy. He wish he had peace. And now that you're miserable, he's trying to make you miserable because misery loves company. Listen, I'm only going to allow the devil to take what he gave me.
All right.
That's the reason why I bounced back. I discovered, hold up, what God gave me, I still have. So I'm not even sad over a car. I'm not sad because I got fired. I'm not sad over lost job.